In this video, I will show you how can you set up your hosting email address inside your mobile Gmail app. So for this, first of all, go to your Gmail app and click on the your profile photo on the top right corner here. Then scroll down at the bottom and then click on the add another account here. Okay, after clicking on this, a screen like this will be opened. Now click on the other here. Okay, now add your email address. So for testing purpose, I created an email address. So let's enter. This is hosting your email address. test@webflower.com. Okay, after entering your email address, click on the next button and now click on the personal IMAP. Okay, now enter your password. My password is webflower@123 and then click on the next button. So here we will configure the incoming server setting. So username and password is correct, as you can see password here, but you should enter the hostinger incoming server setting here in the server. So we will enter here imap.hostinger.com imap.hostinger.com and click on the next button. Okay, here we will configure the outgoing server settings. So you should enter the hostinger SMTP server here, which is smtp.hostinger.com. hostinger.com. Okay, and the username and password is same also. Okay, click on the next button. Okay, everything is good. Our hosting email address is successfully added to our Gmail app. Now click on the next button and as you can see here, account name, this is optional. You can leave it empty, and your name, this is necessary because it will be displayed on the sent messages. So I am entering the webflower here, webflower, and click on the next button. That's it. Okay, so you can switch to your edit hosting your email address by clicking on the profile photo in top right corner here and scroll down and select your edit email address, which is this one in my case. So as you can see, email is added successfully and currently our inbox is empty. So that's it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section.